Alright, so this is going to be a video about the differentiation of e to the x. Now the derivative of e to the x is interesting because it ends up actually being e to the x, which is shown right here in this equation. And now we're going to use that fact to try to solve this problem right here. So this video is going to be an example problem of how to use the differentiation of e to the x to find the derivative of a problem such as this. So the first thing we're going to do is you should notice that we have a function times another function right here. So we have the x times e to the x squared minus 3. So when that happens, you're going to want to use the product rule. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say that the x is my f and this e to the x squared minus 3 is my g. So I'm going to set up my f in f prime and my g in my g prime in order to use product rule. So we have x here, and then the derivative of x is 1, and then the next one I have the e to the x squared minus 3, and then the derivative of this, again, it's going to be itself, but you also have this inner function right here that you're going to need to deal with chain rule. So you're going to have the derivative of that outside layer, that e, be its exact same thing, times the derivative of the inner layer, which in this case would be 2x. Because x squared minus 3, the derivative is 2x. From here now, we got to do fg prime, which is going to be 2x squared e to the x squared minus 3, plus, then you're going to do this g times f prime, which ends up being e to the x squared minus 3, and then you have your answer right there for the derivative of this function up here, using the fact that the derivative of e to the x is equal to e to the x. So that's differentiation of e to the x. If you have any questions about anything in this video, let me know.